Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude back with another video. Today we'll be unboxing the Feeding Frenzy Indominus Rex. This figure gives me major, I think it's called Primal Pal Blue vibes. That was a figure released quite a while ago, and it was styled as Baby Blue. It also had a pretty short tail and some really cool action features. I never picked that one up though, wasn't really a fan, but when I saw this guy, I had to grab it. It is absolutely adorable. A baby Indominus Rex. Now, Indominus Rex is one of my favorites from the newer films, and any type of merchandise that comes out with these guys, I always feel like I need to pick it up. If you take a look on the back, you see there's multiple different things you can do. You press on the tail and the mouth opens. You can feed her meat and press for sound, stuff like that. So very cool. I think not as many features as the Primal Pal Blue, and I think it's a bit smaller than that figure, but I recently saw that there's a Toro Carnotaurus figure coming out that is similar to this as well, so I'm going to have to pick that one up too. So you can see the tongue here is a button. You press on it, and she snaps down on your finger. There's also this button on the nose, and you can press it for, I guess, a few sound effects. You got a long one, short one. Yeah, it's just two, long and short. And this is quite a wide figure. You can see the head's sort of wide, and all the details stand out quite well with this nice spray of paint similar to the super colossal one in the back there. And you can almost have it like a baby to that figure, even though of course she didn't have one, but yeah, if you want to do photography, that'd be pretty neat. Also looks like a giant Snap Squad figure, which is also another photography idea. You can have the Snap Squad Raptors with this Indominus, and it'll look like they're both, you know, the same style, the big head, large legs, and then the small tails and arms. So that's going to be something I'm considering to do with this figure. Now that we've looked it over, let's take it out of the package. I feel like it's connected to the box via its legs somehow, like the bottoms of the feet. So I'll have to bust the package open from there. We also get this chunk of meat. It's got some neat details too. You can see there's scratch marks in it, revealing the bone underneath. Some nice lines painted on the front and the back. And it's kind of similar to, I guess, when Claire dropped that meat down into the cage to kind of lure it out. So on the bottom you see this dotted tab. You press it and you pull, and it should reveal the things holding the feet in. So let's open that up. Got some instructions. Aw, that's cute. Okay, and you just rotate these. Come on. Almost there. This one's a little harder to get at. Got one. Maybe I rotate this the other way. Yeah, I think I rotate it the other way actually. There we go. And she's out. And on the loose. There we go. I'll just throw the box on the ground. We'll take a closer look. So this figure's quite heavy. It's got rotating arms, though they can't go out, just up and down. The feet can rotate to the sides for some reason. I guess to improve its stance, but it's pretty solid. It's not top heavy. It won't fall over back or front. Whoa, that mechanism's pretty cool. You can press on the tail and it goes up to bite. You can see a kind of scale with the colossal Indominus. Aww, they look so cute together. Okay, there's a lot of ideas flowing through my head for photography right now. The inside of the mouth here has a little speaker. That's where the sound comes from. It kind of nicely hidden with a bunch of things going on there. The inside of the mouth is quite detailed. The teeth are well painted. They didn't miss any. That's good. There's no bleeding going on. The back of the head, you can see all the quills that the Indominus has. This is interesting. So there's this like extra little horn going on here at the front of the head that we don't really see on the rest of the Indominus Rex figures. So that's interesting to note. I think the eyes also light up, though you can't see it right now. You can kind of see it. It's, you know, light out. Gives a flickering effect to it. Now I wonder what happens when you press the snout with the mouth open. Oh, you get a set of different sound effects. Interesting. Ow. So, I enjoy the detail on the head. They put a lot of work into this figure, and it's super adorable. Like a chibi version of the Indominus Rex. And, all the details are still there, which is nice. Would have been cool to have a longer tail, but I can see why it fits like that. It'd be interesting to see people do customs of this figure as E350, or E750, sorry, as it's got such a short skull, kind of like that new hybrid. If you compare it, you see the length is a bit different, so it would make for a good E750 mini, which I hope we get a few different variants of that figure. We have one planned, that's what I know, but hopefully it comes out as like a mini blind bag figure, and even maybe a cute little one like this. Though we haven't got the Indoraptor yet, like one of these figures, so who knows. I think that's about it for this figure. The nails are not painted on the hands, but they are on the feet. We got the Jurassic World logo down there, the battery box, and overall it's a pretty cute figure, great for play, and hopefully good for photography. I'll have to see with the Snap Squads, because it fits quite well with those. So yeah, no, definitely a cute little figure. I'm not sure where else it's come out. All I know is here in Canada it was out at Toys R Us. And yeah, so I'm glad I picked it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. And, oh, I forgot the meat. And if you did, make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.